I was what you would call different.
영화는 시각장애를 가진 어린 데니의 모습으로 시작됩니다.
Way to go, asshole. Lorenzo!
그의 형은 장난기가 심하긴 하지만 가족들은 그가 평범한 삶을 살 수 있도록 늘 곁에서 도와줍니다.
He knew I didn't want to go to blind school, so he sent me to normal school.
That's a blind kid driving a train!
Larry, my brother, to teach me about life.
Come on, Danny. This candy's not for little girls. Dog shit again!
Try to be more specific, Danny.
한편 성인이 된 데니는 주기적으로 상담을 받고 있는데 담당 의사가 조금 문제가 있어 보이기도 하지만 그래도 나쁜 사람은 아닙니다.
Doc, are you naked again?
Sorry, Danny.
Oh, Doc, you promised you weren't going to do that anymore.
It will never happen again. I promise.
You said that last time.
And I'll probably say it again.
You're a kook, you know that? But I love you. So apart from the fact that I got this problem with women, I'm handling things pretty well.
So cute.
How could you do this to me?
사실 그는 어쩌면 앞을 볼 수 있을지도 모르는 수술에 지원했지만 가족들은 걱정이 앞섭니다.
It's not gonna happen. There are risks. You don't know. There could be problems.
Come back here. Look, this is exactly why I didn't want to say anything. You know, I don't even know if I want to go through with this yet.
Whatever you decide to do, we're all behind you.
I know.
He's looking at you, kid.
수술 문제로 병원을 찾은 데니는 이때 리자를 만납니다.
Can't you see I'm busy?
No, I can't see that you're busy. Can't you see that I'm fucking blind? What are you staring at?
한편 데니가 하려는 수술은 뇌에 칩을 심고 카메라를 이용해 시각을 구현하는 기술로 만약 성공한다면 흐릿한 흑백 이미지 정도를 볼 수 있을 것이라고 합니다.
Maybe it'll be enough to see a face.
So, do you have someone meeting you?
No, I'll get a cab if you can point me in the right direction.
Leaving now?
I think I can manage, Doris.
The name's Lisa.
Because he doesn't think of himself as blind.
Good night, Doris.
Good night, Danny.
And at your age, it's not natural, man.
현재 리무진 운전 일을 하고 있는 장난꾸러기였던 그의 형.
You want to do it with a woman, right? Yes, of course I do.
Set you up with one nice girl.
No, I don't think so. We've been through this before.
Scared of the vagina.
사실 아직까지 한 번도 여자를 만나본 적 없는 데니는 자신이 써하는 형의 소개를 한번 받아보기로 합니다.
Do you trust Larry? What if she's like a dog?
Did you do this?
Yeah.
What? We gotta change that shirt. Guys, the shirt. What's wrong? It's very loud. Okay, well, pick another one. You.
그런데 소개팅에 나온 여자는 너무 과할 정도로 여린 마음을 가진 듯 보입니다.
So you're really blind?
Yes. Look, please stop crying. Stop it. Why don't we talk about you? How's that? We'll talk about you. Tell me something about yourself.
People think I look like Meryl Streep. But you'll never know what Meryl Streep looks like.
The next one shouldn't be so sensitive.
Get out of my way, asshole. Can't you see he's blind? Danny, come here, honey. Let me help you. All right.
이번엔 부담스러울 정도로 완전히 반대 성격의 여자입니다.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
I'll take you.
I just want to meet a normal woman.
하지만 세 번째 여자도 역시 평범하지는 않습니다.
Danny, I want to feel the way that you feel. I want to be as one with you, Danny. And see the blackness.
Larry!
Oh, I can take Mr. Velasecki to a cab, Doctor, if he wants.
그러다 한 번은 병원에서 일하는 리자에게 용기 내서 말을 건네보는 데니.
Just kind of wanted to talk with you, Juan.
Oh, thanks, but I'd better not. And my bus is here, so.
Okay. See you soon.
Do you want to join me for lunch? I go to the park across the road.
Yeah, right.
그렇게 함께 시간을 보내는 데니와 리자.
Where are we going?
You like baseball?
I don't know. I've never been.
그녀는 다른 사람들과는 달리 그를 특별하게 대하지 않고 데니는 가장 원했던 그냥 평범한 대화를 나눕니다. 그렇게 점점 서로에게 마음이 열리고 끌리기 시작하는 둘.
Your hair, I can tell that it's short because I can't hear it swishing around.
리자는 언젠가 의사가 되고 싶다는 꿈이 있다고 합니다.
What I'd really like to do is go to medical school.
Why can't you?
It's not that simple.
I've had the best night I've ever had.
I've had a wonderful time.
She's the most natural person in the whole world.
그렇게 태어나 처음으로 누군가를 좋아한다는 감정을 느낀 데니.
Don't forget to clean those footprints off my ceiling.
You're gorgeous. Thank you.
What about us?
We'll always have Paris.
And I said I would never leave you.
Lisa, I've never felt this way for anyone before.
I'll see you soon, okay?
Yeah.
그런데 이때 무슨 일인지 표정이 좋지 못한 리자. 사실 그녀는 이미 집안에서 결정한 약혼자가 있었고 그 사람을 사랑하지도 않으며 결혼하면 자신의 꿈을 펼치지도 못하게 되지만 그렇다고 가족을 저버릴 수도 없습니다.
He's not Indian.
A few years after I came to this country, I met this man.
What happened?
Oh, he met a beautiful American girl. You're my only daughter. And I love you very much. And only you can decide if you can honor that promise or not.
What are you talking about? What is that supposed to mean?
결국 리자는 집안을 선택하고 데니는 자신의 장애 때문에 그녀가 떠난다고 생각합니다.
Do you love him?
It's not that simple.
Just be honest with me. You'd rather be with someone who can see instead of some asshole blind guy. All right, now you got the step right. Out. I know the step. Come on.
이제 진짜 마지막으로 자신의 장애를 알리지 않고 여자를 만나보기로 결심한 데니는 미리 철저하게 준비합니다.
1, 2, 3. Just hit this button here, and it changes the seating. Okay, but just be careful. That's not funny. If you ever get this far, that's a condom. It's for safe sex. Now, this is something you're gonna have to do on your own. I cannot help you with it. What the? I put them on, but they're too big. They keep on falling off.
You can't put the condom on unless you're stiff, you know?
Ah, buonasera, signore. You have a reservation?
Where's Pietro?
He's out.
안타깝게도 미리 약속된 직원이 자리를 비워 계획대로 되지는 않습니다.
Sorry. Now, you're gonna walk in front of me, walk slowly, and keep on talking so I know where you are.
Right this way, sir.
Here's your table.
Great.
Let's order. I'm starving.
Oh, yeah.
Danny, you have some chocolate sauce on your chin.
But you know what I like most about you? Your eyes. We can go back to your place now. Teach me, tiger. What to do.
And make you understand.
Just sit back and enjoy the show, Mr. Blue Eyes.
Oh, yeah.
하지만 전혀 반응이 없자 이상하다고 생각한 여자와 결국 사실대로 말하는 데니.
Blind? I thought you were gay.
그렇게 데니는 이제 그만두기로 다짐합니다.
Why haven't you been going to the doctor, Danny?
그 후로 수술을 포기한 듯 병원에 가지 않은 데니.
This operation is something for you. You understand that? Why would you want to ruin that?
그래도 형의 말에 다시 한번 기운을 내보기로 합니다.
Danny, hi.
Hi. I need to know that you still feel positive about this operation. Why don't you see Dr. Evans one more time? She'll give us her assessment.
Danny, wait. Look, can we go to the park and talk?
Danny, there's something else I should have told you before.
Danny, I'm Indian.
It's a different world. It's a different culture.
When I asked you if you loved him, you couldn't answer me.
Danny, I can't go against my family. And it's got nothing to do with you being blind. I've got to go.
Did I do something wrong?
No. No, falling in love is completely natural.
Falling in love is the most wonderful thing in the whole world.
Yeah, I guess so. Are you naked today, Dr. Evans?
No, but I'd like to be.
결국 마음을 정하고 수술을 결심한 데니. 그저 기다릴 수밖에 없는 가족들은 부디 데니가 무사하기만을 바랄 뿐입니다.
It's gonna be just fine.
Because if anything should happen to him, there's gonna be a lot of shouting. Down here and in heaven.
You're a good mother. And you got a good boy. No one's gonna have to shout. Yeah.
Danny came through surgery beautifully. He's doing very, very well. You all right?
Fine.
And when the time is right, you take all the time you need.
I'm ready?
Good man. 1, 2, and 3.
There's something here, like a square.
Danny, that's a window.
That's me! It just saw me in front of the window!
It's a good start.
그렇게 태어나 처음으로 사랑하는 가족들의 얼굴을 마주하는 데니.
Danny.
하지만 이 기술은 뇌에 큰 부담을 주는 부작용이 있었습니다.
Danny?
Mom! Danny, how you doing?
Pretty good.
사실 아직도 리자를 잊지 못하고 있었던 데니.
It's more than just a headache or the operation, ain't it?
I just can't get her out of my mind, Pop.
I guess you just gotta give it some time. I only ever loved your mother. I would have waited 1,000 years for her.
한편 같은 시각 리자는 약혼식을 올리고 있습니다. 그런데 이때 집을 나와 어디론가 향하는 데니.
Dr. Perkins, this is Lisa. I'm sorry. I had some bad news about a friend.
Yeah, right. Just the other
Get up, bitch!
결국 그는 마지막으로 리자를 보기 위해 위험을 무릅쓰고 이곳에 도착했는데
You're not supposed to be here.
I had to see you. It's my last chance to see you.
하지만 안타깝게도 장치는 더 이상 작동하지 않습니다.
It doesn't matter. I've already seen you. I've seen your face. I've seen your eyes. I've seen everything, and you are beautiful. That was how you speak to me.
그렇게 눈이 아니라 마음으로 느낀 자신의 사랑을 전하는 데니.
And when we kiss, it moves me to my soul.
결국 데니는 뇌에서 칩을 꺼내고 다시 앞을 볼 수 없게 되지만 그래도 정말 행복해 보이는 모습으로 영화는 끝이 납니다. 이 영화는 시각장애인의 이야기를 그린 따뜻하고 유쾌한 영화로 아무래도 이런 주제를 너무 가볍게 표현한 것이 아니냐는 의견도 있어 보이지만 영화는 영화일 뿐 어쩌면 남들과 다르지 않은 삶을 살고 싶어하는 주인공의 모습이 오히려 그들의 마음을 더 잘 표현한 것이 아닌가 싶은 생각도 들었습니다. 다른 것보다 크리스 파인의 매력이 정말 돋보였던 영화로 밝고 따뜻한 영화를 찾으신다면 풀버전으로 감상해보시길 추천드립니다. 오늘 영상 재밌게 보셨다면 구독과 좋아요 부탁드립니다.
So I managed the all-time world record of going blind twice. I got the girl.
There's a blind guy driving this train! Everybody out of the way!
You can see she's a beautiful